What's up guys, it's Jordan from Monster Motoring. Today we have a big day. We're doing a lot of installs today. We got parts here. Right now at the location to go pick up this head for this engine. It's gonna be a big day, so short intro, see what happens. Alright, what's up guys? I am back in a different place. It didn't work out so well with the head. Let's just say that we tried to take the head off and it was down so tight that it stripped out 3 of the head studs. I don't know how it happened. So we're just getting a extractor. And later this week we're gonna try and get that head out and swap it back in. Right now we took off the hood and basically what we're doing is just work. We got the new quick release and the steering wheel on top of there.
It's either
we are test fitting body part switch down there. Yeah, down there. And testing the turbo. Well, we can't really put on a turbo because that is a completely different flange than this one. I believe it is T3 to T25 or something like that. We're trying to get that off too. We made progress on a car that's not ours. I don't know what to say. Other than that, the Miata's fender's off, and
I mean, we don't actually have to take this off to see if it'll fit.
well, I just want to see like fitment between that and that, because if it's above the valve cover, then it's definitely through the hood. So I want to make sure that before we end up cutting something.
Well, do you have the adapter for this to that?
Well, you see, that's in the mail. So
then how are we going to see the height?
that's what I'm saying. We need to lift it up. At least if that's there, we can.
I mean, the adapter's probably the height difference literally of that manifold being on, because I'm taking it off and I realize, why am I taking this off? So, if I place this here roughly, I'm holding 2 things at once. Idea of, and a little bit back, but this is a slight idea of where it's going. Especially since it's higher, then we don't know exactly how we're missing 2 studs from this. Okay, but
That's not a problem.
so
It's a adapter for it.
it goes this way or
Yeah.
the other way? This way? Well, you see, with this box removed, it's gonna definitely stick over the valve cover. Because honestly,
Turn that around real quick.
hello?
Yeah, it goes the other way.
Go this way?
No, the other way.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hello?
I just want to see inside. Yeah, that's gonna be interesting.
Literally with the adapter, it's probably gonna be the height of the valve cover. You're gonna have a whole turbo up in it.
That's gonna be fun.
Yeah. So I'm gonna rebolt in the manifold.
And we're gonna have to. Nice.
It's fine, it's metal.
That torque spec?
Oh yeah.
You gonna break the bolt?
Nope. Feels like that same bolt breaking pressure.
Don't do that.
Is this the engine?
Yes, it's the engine.
Wait, how'd you get this off in the first place? This thing is like really tight around here.
That's the point.
Okay. Oh, there you go. Alright. Let's just say, do not give more than 2.5 turns from 0.2. Oh crap. It said do not give more than 2.5 turns. I spun that thing around like 5 times trying to get that on. You know, whatever.
I don't know, I just woke up from a little nap. It's a little dark, but you guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
What do you mean the lead's on for the injectors?
You have the leads going to them. I can't see that one. It's not awesome.
I have touched the injectors right now, so yeah.
Start.
Yeah.
Do you have to spark? Oh, okay. Yeah, we do. So many screws in here.
and I'm about to get decapitated. So, okay. Oh, God. I hit it right on the thing. Oof. That's how close it is. Alright, let's see what happens. Moment of truth. Battery's dead.
How did you kill it, Jordan?
How did I kill it?
You always kill this one.
That one did jump it. That one did it before.
Yep.
Connected? What? What?
Well, that was our issue.
Well, I mean, it does that.
I don't know, it sounds a little worse to me. Okay, never mind, it's not.
Sounds good to me. It sounds normal. That was the... Wow. Okay. We're at the gas station, guys. I'm looking for my wallet. Oh, there it is. Okay. Fill up this Miata with some Yata juice. Trademarking that name. Yata juice. You can put that up right here. Yata juice. Back from getting gas. Filled it up nearly. Please don't stall it, because you saw it every single time. You haven't even moved the stuff out the way.
I kinda did.
Oh! So do me a favor. As you're backing up, stop at the top there, so he has to stop at the top of the hill. Okay. Well, Jake's gonna be driving the Miata. Why is this so... Oh my god! No, it's short. No, it's not heavy. One try. I'm giving you one try. In no way is that seat bolted down.
You'll be fine.
Oh my god.
We're only going around the block real quick. Yeah?
Too much, too much, too much. Too much RPM. Balance it. Nope.
Fine.
Every single time, it's off. You just leave it. It's off. It's in first gear.
It doesn't matter, it's not going anywhere.
Every single time. There's water leaking from the ground somewhere.
Yeah.
See, you gotta learn when I'm not here and then impress me when I get back. You don't learn when I'm here.
Hey babe, we'll be right back.
Alright.
Wait, you can't get it to turn on?
No, it's not. You can't get it to turn on. Nothing's turning on. There's no...
I'm just gonna say Jordan broke it.
He stole it. The battery died.
Unless the battery like disconnected itself.
Can you check that? Because
You can have that. The battery blew the motor.
yeah, he blew the motor. He blew the motor.
Did you put it on the clutch?
Is my foot in on the clutch?
I'm just saying, it sounds like the safety.
It doesn't sound like anything to me. Battery pack? Because there's nothing. What? It's not enough. This is his fault.